Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to get your Upscrolled account verified step by step. So here, I'm going to give you step by step guide to how to get your Upscrolled account verified here at Upscrolled. So now all we need to do is just on right here, on our profile right here, and the icon right there. Then click on settings right here in the top right corner. And after doing that, all we do is scroll down to see account verification right here. As you can see right there. After pressing that, there you go. After pressing that, here are the requirements to be eligible for verification. You must have more than 100,000 followers on Instagram, X, Twitter, or TikTok right there. At least 300 posts on your account. Your account is not private and only real individuals or organization with their actual name. There you go, no fake names. Important, meeting a minimum requirement does not guarantee verification. The platform has final discretion to verify or not, even if you meet all requirements right there as you see right now. All we need to do is how to apply. We need to chat message their platform on their account. As you can see, we just need to chat this verify me up on Upscrolled. So we're just gonna copy paste copy that. Now we're gonna choose which one to verify. So we're gonna go with Instagram right here. All we need to do is press on that. So I'll see you guys there. So right now we are here at Instagram. Now to verify it, just press on message right there, and then type in verify me on Upscrolled. So we're just gonna post it right there. I'm gonna close that. Then there you go. As you can see right now, we have sent them a message on verify me on Upscrolled. So now we just have to wait if we get rejected or accepted to be verified here at Upscrolled. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you right there as soon as possible. And there you go guys. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.